Today we're talking about using an RSS feed in ChatGPT to automatically post to all of your socials as often as you want it to. It's a really cool automation. Again, this is in make.com. It literally will take you 5 to 10 minutes to do this. I have one of my clients already set up here that I'm showing to you right now. So let's get into it. So first, you're going to start out with an RSS feed. You have to find something in your niche or your area of expertise out there. So what I do here, let's go over here. I go to a site called FeedSpot, and you can search on your whatever your niche is. So I just searched on health and wellness. I found this one that my uh, client liked, Wellness Mama blog that they like. So all you have to do is copy this, and then we're going to go back to make. So just copy that. Here we are in make.com. Here we are in the RSS feed, and this is where you put your URL. And that's all it is for this one. You don't need to do anything. It's an array aggregator to get all the data together, tools to pull it to the router, and then it goes to all of your social media. So there's in this template that I can provide to you. We have Twitter, we have LinkedIn, we have Facebook and Instagram here in this example. Client didn't had a Twitter, an X account, but it got disabled, so we didn't use that. I just unlinked it and does not have a LinkedIn account. So I just unlink these two, and then in case the client does get one of these accounts open up or adds a LinkedIn account, we can always link it and have the same items go through each and every day or however often you set it up to schedule. So from there, you're going to go to the ChatGPT model. And this is like this first one is to make a Facebook post. The other one's to make an Instagram post. And then you can add an image to it as well before it goes to your social media. So first, you do need OpenAI account. So you need that to add this connection. This is my connection, but you would add it, go through that whole process, and I can have more videos, or if you have comments or questions, let me know. But it's a super simple way to get it set up and get it connected. But you do need access to your API in your OpenAI. So comment below if you need help with that. But it's a super simple way to get that. And then here you have your prompt, your user create a Facebook post that has two parts. It's simple to understand. A summary of the most surprising, shocking part of this paper. And so it goes through everything that you need. It's all in there. You just need to set it up and go from there. And you save it, and you go through the same connections for all of these ChatGPT items. Then also, when you're going to your social media channels, it's kind of the same thing. You need to go through and make your connection to your Facebook account or your Instagram account. So this is the client. So we have that. Instagram is set up. It's the same thing. Just go into settings and make your connection. It's running a little slow here. But yeah, again, it's the same account, and setting up your page to make sure that's correct. Okay. And then once that's all set up, it is really super easy and fast. You'll run it, and you can update this as much as you want. See, there's a scheduler down here. And right now they're choosing to run it every day at 2:00. But you can run it multiple times a day, once a week. It's really up to you. And then this is say this is already on a schedule, so I'm not going to run it. It already ran once 2 hours ago here today. So this is it. This is the latest one. And then it comes up with an image using DALL-E and ChatGPT, and it comes up with the post as well. So this is so easy, simple setup, and you can just set it and forget it. And this is on autopilot for however long you want. And then you can also set up different ones, or if you want to see how this RSS feed performs, you can go in later and go to the settings and update a URL to another one as well. So this is super simple. Click the link in my bio. Remember to follow, subscribe. I'm here for help. So if you need anything, please sign up. I've got a full free consultation set up So we can discuss anything you need. If you need AI education, any type of consulting, or if you want help implementing some of these automations, Ecno Digital is here to serve you and partner with you. So thanks for watching.